My name is James Richardson. I'm one of the regional managers at Calibre Design. Thanks for your interest in joining our team. We've put this video together to give you an understanding of what it's like to work at Calibre and to determine whether this role is a good fit for you. First things first, the most common thing that our existing engineers enjoy about their jobs at Calibre is the variety. Our engineers love the fact that they're exposed to such a wide range of companies and projects. Take a look at the client list on our website and you'll see exactly what I mean by variety. We have clients in essentially every corner of the engineering industry in New Zealand. We work on a secondment basis, which means that our engineers work on site with our clients as part of their existing engineering team. On average, our engineers will spend between 3 and 6 months on a secondment before moving on to the next project, which adds up to a heck of a lot of exposure and learning over the course of a few years. You might jump from materials handling to aerospace to food and beverage to product design all within a year. It's really tough to find that sort of variety in any other job. The flip side of this variety is that you're essentially starting a new job every 3 to 6 months, which can be tough work. To succeed in this role, you'll need to be someone who thrives on change, loves to learn, and is able to communicate well in writing and verbally. That said, you'll never be hung out to dry. The second most common reason that engineers come to Calibre is to learn from and contribute to the Calibre network. We currently have a team of around 50 engineers all through New Zealand, and between them they have a huge amount of collective experience. As a Calibre engineer, you'll have full access to every other engineer in the team and their unique skills and experience. In fact, accessing and learning from other engineers will be a key part of your role at Calibre because sharing knowledge allows us to create the best outcomes for our clients. We have good systems in place to facilitate this and a strong culture of sharing knowledge. Speaking of learning, one of our core values is learning is a must, which means that we take professional development for our engineers pretty seriously. We want to turn you into a world-class engineer because that enables our clients to deliver world-class solutions. We have a structured learning and development program to make that happen, which takes into account your existing skills and experience as well as your long-term career ambitions. Because our team is spread out working on-site at our clients' businesses, we make a big effort to get together as a team each month. We do this in each region in the form of pub meetings, team lunches, technical webinars, site visits to clients, and quarterly activities. Think things like axe throwing, go-karting, and whitewater rafting. Another point worth mentioning is that most of our engineers are able to work with a degree of flexibility in terms of hours and location, which is a bonus. If you're not able to work flexibly for any given secondment, it's normally because you're working on something cool with a degree of commercial secrecy to it, so it all balances out overall. Finally, we run an annual engagement survey at Calibre to get feedback from our engineers on where we can improve as a company. Some numbers we're particularly proud of from this year's survey are 100% of our engineers know what's expected from them in their role, 97% have manageable stress levels at work, 100% had opportunities to grow in the last 12 months, and 93% feel that Calibre's culture supports well-being. So you don't have to take my word for it. Our engineers think that Calibre's a pretty good place to be too. If this role sounds like a bit of you, I'd encourage you to apply through Seek. From there, the next steps in our recruitment process are a phone call with our HR manager, a technical assessment to gauge where you're at right now, and finally an interview with your local regional manager. Once you've had your interview, we like to move fairly quickly, so you can expect to hear back from us within a week. As I mentioned earlier, this is a job that will expose you to every corner of the engineering industry in New Zealand. It can be a tough gig at times as you'll constantly be learning and adapting to change, but it's also immensely rewarding to be able to help some of New Zealand's leading companies deliver their projects. For the right type of person, this is the best engineering job in New Zealand. Get that application through and we look forward to meeting you.